This week's vlog is the end journey of moving. Let's get right into the video. I just wanted to update you on the end of my moving. I have been working from 9 a.m. this morning. It's after 10 p.m. So I am deadly exhausted, tired. I have my grandson here with me. He was just asking me for a pillow. Grandma, where's my pillow? But he doesn't have any pillow, guys. So I have my kitchen left,
Grandma,
and we're gonna be
and then two pillows.
yes, he needs two pillows. So when we have the final part to take care of, which will be the kitchen, and after that, guys, tomorrow I will be sleeping, because look at my eyes. Look at my eyes, guys. I am really tired. See you guys soon. This week's vlog has taught me that it's okay to take a risk. Just remain positive. You never know what your journey may look like. For those who are going through a steep journey, a long journey, hang in there and remember, it's okay to take that risk. Thank you guys for watching my moving series, and I will see you in my next vlog. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet.